This tutorial is going to be for a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. This is a great dish for having a dinner party with friends. You can scale it up as much as you need. It's also great if you are having your boss over for dinner, if you want to impress them. It's good for Shiva because you can put them in the refrigerator. So I'll just go ahead and get started. My counter is pretty clean, it's good enough. So you get together your ingredients. So I like to start with the peanut butter. If you're confused about how to operate it, you can probably Google the brand that you have and it'll give you instructions. And I put about 2 tablespoons of jam on the other side. I'm sure there's a lot written about it. I'm sure people have strong preferences. So maybe you can Google it for like journal articles if you're confused to see, what the common recommendation is, best practices for amount of jelly. Usually you would then just put one piece on top of the other. I have 4 pieces that are very interesting shapes. And this is great, if you have kids coming for dinner, that could be like an entire dinner for, a 1-year-old. I think this is a skill everybody should have, this dish. I used it literally just the other week when my parents came to town and I was trying to, impress them with how adult I am. So yeah, I hope it, thanks for tuning in. Best of luck with your own stay at home this month, probably next month, and also probably the one after that. Keep it up, you're doing great, and see you someday soon.